Chris Menard, Microsoft MVP. The Copilot function in Excel is phenomenal. I've made plenty of videos on it in the past, and I'll put all those links in my blog post. But for right now, let's look at using the Copilot function with some new data and asking some very detailed questions. So I haven't made this video before, first time. Before I start, the file that I'm using, including all the prompts, which I have down below, are going to be available to you on my blog post, and I'll reference that in the video also. 3 important notes. Item number 1, and this one's technically not that important. The data that I'm using here actually does have formulas in it. Go to the Formulas tab and hit Show Formula, and you can see that I'm using the sum function in here, and I'm using a percentage formula. You can turn that on and off right there. Item number 2, in real life, I would normally make this a table, but I wanted to try this just as a range, so I'm leaving it as a range. And item number 3, you do need a M365 Copilot license or premium license for this to work. I have it because I see it in the bottom right-hand corner here, but I do have a premium license to do this. Here we go with the Copilot function. Also, you'll know if you have this or not when you do equal Copilot. This works on the web and it works on the desktop. So item number 1, just so you don't have to sit here and watch me type these prompts. I'm going to do this in cell K2. The prompt is, what are the total sales by region, A1 to I13? Let's just test the Northeast real quick. Let's just do a quick sort, A to Z. 495, 300 is 495, 300. Click, paste. Exactly the same right there. Okay. That one worked. Let's go to the next one. I'm going to undo just to get this back to the default. That was item 1. Next one. Oh, the Copilot function will spill down. Also, I meant to mention that. Item number 2. The Copilot function is extremely fast, as you can see. That is another reason why sometimes we use it versus clicking on the Copilot icon and then putting in my prompt there, which would not be the Copilot function, but the prompt would be the same. Rank the salespeople from highest to lowest. And I wouldn't need to specify the data that I'm using, A1 to I13, but it's just amazingly fast. There it is right there. I said to rank them, and it did. Again, I could sort by the total, largest to smallest to see this, but trust me, I've already looked and it's correct. Item number 3. Compare total by product category, software, hardware, services. Again, I'll reference the whole thing. 541, 100 for hardware. Just real quick, I'm going to use the control key this time. I don't feel like sorting this. There we go. 541, 100. Always go check your data. So that number 3 worked. Number 4, we're getting really advanced with the Copilot function here. I'm asking it for 1. I'm expecting 1 individual to be returned. The prompt is, which person showed the most improvement from Q1 to Q4? I want to make a note on this item number 4 I'm doing. This is not a good prompt that I wrote, just to be really clear. And the reason is, I'm going from Q1 to Q4, but I really didn't tell it, is this in dollars? Is this percentage? So let's see what I get first. It came back with Jordan Ellis. I actually want to test that. Let me just do a quick insert here to give myself some room. Actually, I don't want to do the insert there. Let me do it here. It says Jordan Ellis. Q4 minus Q1, 25,300 for Jordan Ellis, and that does look like the highest value. I still be real specific in your prompt, so this is a good example of why I should have said in dollars. Let's go give it another shot this time, and this time I was specific. Who showed the most improvement by percentage? I have no clue why the Copilot function did this, but it actually ended up telling me that it is Lisa with 75.9%. I do want to test that quickly. This is an easy one. Should have left those numbers. Q4 minus Q1 is the dollar difference divided by Q1 is the percentage difference. Pull down. It said it was Lisa at 75.9. Lisa's at 75.9, and that is the highest percentage. Hope you enjoyed this video. I am really loving the Copilot function. I use it at work all the time, and I'm probably going to end up making this a class and a live stream because I'm having a great time with this. I love how fast the Copilot function is compared to just using Copilot icon and typing your prompts. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments down below. I appreciate your support. Have a wonderful day.